Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy and I'm really happy to have you here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Central Victoria, Australia, and I love making cards and projects. So thank you for joining me today. I want to take a couple of minutes of your time today. We are not crafting with anything at the moment, but I just want to have a quick chat to you about my Stamp with Tracy monthly classes. So I've been running these each month for the last couple of months. And these are really great classes for beginners, for advanced, for anyone who would like a little fun in their life. So I have done Snail Mail as well as Ice Cream Corner Suite, and this month is Friends Are Like Seashells Suite. So it's in the mini catalogue. This is such a gorgeous set and I want to offer it to you. So each month I send out, in the kit you'll get a quarter pack of the designer series paper that is part of the pack or the class that we are doing for that month. You'll also receive, whether they be embellishments or ribbon, you'll get between $25 and $30 worth of Stampin' Up product in your kit. On top of that, you'll also receive 5 card kits or project kits. Some might be 3D projects, some might be card projects. It'll be a bit of a mixture or a variant depending on that suite that we're focusing on that month. Also in the kit, you will receive a downloadable PDF that has the full instructions, all your dimensions of each card, and you'll also receive a link to the videos where I create the cards for you. I don't produce them, I create them for you on video. So it's really great. You'll be part of a special Facebook group and we'll do giveaways and it's just going to be a lot of fun. So I'd really like to welcome everyone. If you're in Australia and you're not already doing card classes, this is a great way to be able to do it at home. Now you might be asking, well, what do I need? Okay, so each month will be a little bit different, but you'll need your basic craft supplies. So a Stampin' trimmer, because you will be cutting up your own designer series paper. You will need paper snips as well as your adhesive. So usually in most of my projects, I'll use tear and tape, liquid adhesive, dimensionals. What else do I use? Glue dots when I'm using ribbons. So they are the main adhesives that I use. So, and most people do have those already in your stash. The inks that you'll need for this class here is Blushing Bride, Sahara Sand or Crumb Cake, as well as a blue. Now I'll show you that card, and so Saffron. But here we have here, I've used Crumb Cake here, and Crumb Cake for the beach here, and just a blue for the top, and here we have the So Saffron in the back there. So this one's one of the quicker and easier cards, but we have 5 cards in all, which are really beautiful. The other things that I have used in this set are some stamping blends just to colour in the pearls, which are basic pearls which come in that kit. You don't have to colour them in, you can just leave them as plain basic pearl colour. So if you don't have stamping blends, you could also use Sharpies or any alcohol ink pens that you have at home. So let me just show you what comes in that kit. So we have the quarter pack of the Sand and Sea designer series paper. This is really pretty. There is so many pinks and blues and browns, not so many browns, but yellows. There is some browns, but really pretty cardstock. So you're getting a quarter pack of that. You're also receiving a full pack of the basic pearls, so these ones here, and a full roll of linen thread. So they're what you're going to use to create your cards. Also, I have 5 kits all ready to go. They're individually popped into bags, and I have envelopes in the back as well. So this is a really great kit for anyone who doesn't have a lot of supplies. You can sort of just do what you can with what you have. You can get away with a lot of these projects with just dimensionals and liquid adhesive as well. So if that's all you have, you'll be fine as well. Everything is die cut for you or embossed, so you don't need any of those tools. So that's why it's really great for beginners or for people who don't have a lot of money that can't provide or purchase a lot of the bigger products in for crafting. So this class and all classes are $48 and it's paid through a PayPal link. You can sign up and register for this class over my blog. Under my name on my blog there is a Stamp for Tracy tab. Just click on that, fill out those details, and I'll send you a PayPal link. Now each class and every single month, the cutoff date is the 20th of the month, and then I'll send out all the products once I've ordered them and cut everything up. It'll be sent out no later than the 28th of that month. So we will be getting together in our Facebook group, just running over a few things, doing the giveaway and all that sort of stuff. So it will be fun, and I would love to have more people join in. So if it sounds like something you will be interested in, please head over to my blog. There's a little bit more information over there, or get in touch with me because I'd happily help in any way if you have any questions. Alright everyone, so I'll be back with another video really soon that's more craft related, but what's more crafty than some classes? Anyway, have a wonderful day. See you later.